Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going how to fix Karcher pressure washer soap dispenser not working, no foam, clog and settings guide. Fix 1. Use the low pressure settings. Turn off the pressure washer and attach the soap nozzles, usually the black nozzle if your model uses interchangeable nozzles. Then set the spray wand to mix soap or low pressure mode and turn the pressure washer back on and test the soap dispenser. Fix 2. Check the detergent tank. Remove the detergent tank or bottle and make sure it contains enough Karcher approved detergent. And check that the tank is installed correctly, reattach it firmly and then try again. Fix 3. Clean the soap pickup tube. Turn off and unplug the pressure washer and remove the detergent hose from the tank. Now inspect the hose for dirt, dried soap or kinks. Flush the hose with warm water and reconnect it and test the machine. Fix 4. Clean the soap filter. Locate the small filter at the end of the detergent pickup tube and remove the filter carefully. Now rinse it under clean water and remove any debris with a soft brush. Reinstall the filter and test the soap flow. Fix 5. Clean the soap nozzle. Remove the soap nozzle and rinse it with warm water. Now use a nozzle cleaning tool or a small pin to remove any blockage and reinstall the nozzle and test. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.